Hello friends, this is Akshat Baronia from Vikas Coaching Classes. I will take lectures on chemistry for class 10th. Now our today's topic is nomenclature. This topic lies in chapter number 4, that is carbon and its compound. So I will start from the very basic concept of nomenclature. I will cover this whole topic in 2 or 3 more lectures. So in those upcoming lectures, I will make sure that you understand each and everything regarding this topic. So let us start. Now, first of all, you have to know that what is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, they are of 2 types, that is saturated and unsaturated. Now, what is saturated hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons containing single bond between carbon-carbon atoms are called saturated hydrocarbon. अगर सिंगल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है कार्बन कार्बन एटम के बीच में तो उन्हें बोलते हैं अपन सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, और सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स को एल्केन्स बोलते हैं. Now, what is unsaturated hydrocarbons? Unsaturated hydrocarbons जिनमें डबल या ट्रिपल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट रहता है. डबल बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट रहता है तो उन्हें हम एल्कीन्स बोलते हैं, और अगर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड रहता है कार्बन कार्बन एटम के बीच में तो उन्हें हम एल्काइंस बोलते हैं. Now you all can see this is something CnH2n plus 2 and CnH2n, like this is written. Now what is this? This is the general formula of alkanes. This is the general formula of alkanes, and that is of alkynes. Now you can see here CnH2n plus 2. What is N here? N is the number of carbon atoms present in a compound. Okay, N is the number of carbon atoms present in a compound. So if you talk about alkanes, okay, so in alkanes the hydrogen atom, the number of hydrogen atom will be 2 more than double the number of carbon atoms. Okay, so this is how you can know that any compound is alkane, alkene or alkynes. If we talk about alkenes, then the number of hydrogen atom will be double the number of carbon atom, just double the number of carbon atoms. If you talk about alkynes, then the number of hydrogen atoms will be 2 less than, that is 2 less than double the number of carbon atoms. Okay, so let us take an example like C4H8. What is this? Is it alkane or alkene or alkyne? So you will compare it with the general formula. Now the number of hydrogen atom is just double the number of carbon atom. तो यहाँ पे अपन को दिख रहा है कि नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम कार्बन एटम के जस्ट डबल है, तो वो हुआ अपना alkenes. This is the way to know that any compound, any hydrocarbon is alkane, alkene or alkynes. That is, a compound contain double bond, single bond or triple bond. So this is the way of knowing that. Now if you understood the concept of hydrocarbons, like what are alkane, alkene and alkynes, so we will move further and understand what will be the name of a compound containing पर्टिकुलर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स. अगर एक कार्बन प्रेजेंट है कंपाउंड में तो उसके नाम के आगे लगेगा मैथ. 2 कार्बन है तो एथ, 3 है तो प्रोप, 4 है तो ब्यूट, 5 है तो पेंट, 6 है तो हेक्स, 7 है हेप्ट, 8 oct. If there are 9 number of carbon atoms, then non, and 10 so dec. In class 10th you just have to understand up to the 10 number. In class 10th you just have to understand up to 10 number of carbon atoms. So let us take few examples, like any compound given is C2H6. So first we will count the number of carbon atom. Like here it is C2, then you will write eth. First of all you will write eth, and then we have to count the number of हाइड्रोजन एटम. कार्बन एटम गिनने के बाद अपन हाइड्रोजन एटम गिनेंगे. तो हाइड्रोजन एटम है 6, तो कार्बन एटम गिनने के बाद अपन हाइड्रोजन एटम्स को गिनेंगे. तो number of hydrogen atom is 6 here. Now on comparing with the general formula, we will easily compare, and it is CnH2n plus 2. After counting the number of carbon atom, we will count the number of hydrogen atoms, and we will compare them with the general formula of hydrocarbons. Like it is 2 more than double of carbon atom, so it is alkane. So ethane will be written. Okay, ethane will be written. We will understand it later, but first of all you have to know that what will be the name of a compound containing particular number of carbon atoms. After learning that, we will discuss a formula of naming hydrocarbons. Like, understand this formula carefully. The formula says number of carbon atoms. Like if there are 5 carbon atoms, then pent will be written. If there are 6 carbon atoms, then hex will be written. If there are 2 number of carbon atoms, then eth will be written. So we will count the number of carbon atom, and accordingly we will write prefix. After counting the number of carbon atom, we will see what is the nature of a compound. Like it is alkane or alkene or alkyne. So we will compare the formula with general formula of alkane, alkene and alkynes. So if the compound is alkane, then the suffix of alkene, that is ane, will be taken. If that is alkene, then the suffix of alkene, ene, will be taken. And if it is alkyne, then the suffix yne will be taken, and we will get the required name. Like if it is alkane, then the name of the compound will be ethane, pentane, hexane. And if it is alkene, then the name of the compound will be ethene, pentene, hexene. Okay. Now similarly, in the case of alkyne, the name of the compound will be changed accordingly, like ethyne, pentyne, hexyne. So this is the way of naming hydrocarbons. Now in our next video lecture, we will understand the naming of compounds containing substituents or functional group. So stay tuned for our next lecture and share this with your friends. Thank you very much.